Good afternoon, Johnny family. I'm back with a prank. My daughter's gonna prank this lady. The lady over there asleep. Let me zoom in, y'all. The lady is asleep. Wait, we're gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3. She did. What are you talking about? What you say?
I'm scared. She just got on. She wasn't asleep.
Wait, let me unzoom it.
Okay, it's over. She wasn't even asleep. Girl, okay.
Say hi to Johnny family. Don't do that to us.
Right.
Oh, I gotta zoom it back
She
out.
wasn't even asleep.
Yeah.
She wasn't asleep. You slowly trying to record me.
No, I'm not. Stop it.
What are you still recording?
Do it again.
I'm not, because she's not asleep. She's not asleep.
Let me see if this is. Where your hand? She drifting back out, y'all. She drifting, y'all. She drifting down. Johnny family, watch her. Wait, Johnny family, she drifting. She waking up, she coughing. So now we gotta, no.
Oh, I can't do
No.
with you.
We gotta whisper y'all to y'all. She is really finna prank this lady. She's scratching. So y'all, I'm just waiting on to do this prank on this lady. And all y'all like, what are you doing? But really, I'm just chilling in my car, minding my own business. And now,
She want to be asleep, so she about to get ready.
yeah, she's trying to act like she ain't asleep. But she is really asleep.
I'm gonna be like, lady, you asleep?
No. I'm gonna wait till she drift down a little bit. Now y'all done seen her. I'm not zooming back in.
They're your kids.
I'm whispering everybody. Now here you go, y'all. Here go the prank.
She ain't phased. She's not phased.
She did the first time.
Oh my God, she sleep. Is she sleep? Yeah.
Here she go, y'all. She looked over here. We got her. We got her. We got her, y'all.
You got her. Peace. I'm seeing.